Morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making the Kerala special Paladat Pradaman. Okay? See, this I bought the ready-made. You get it Palad Ambikas. It is nothing but rice flour. Okay, I'll tell you the process later. I have taken 3/4 cup and 1 cup of this is coconut milk. Okay, and then you need 1 cup of jaggery. If the jaggery is very sweet, you can lessen it. Okay, and then in Kerala, actually, for any pradaman or any payasam, we don't use cashew nut. We just slice fresh coconut like this, then deep fry in ghee. Okay, this should be deep fried in ghee. Now what you should do is this adai, we call it as adai. This adai you have to wash and cook with the same amount of water for 3 whistles. Okay, now let me cook it now. See, if you don't have coconut milk at all, then you can add the usual cow's milk also, but this gives the authentic taste. The authentic Palada Pradaman is made using coconut milk. If you have less coconut milk, you can mix cow's milk also, but you will not get the authentic taste of Kerala. Okay. See, I have used this homemade Dabur's coconut milk. Okay. So I'll just pour, and then with the same water I am going to cook the palada, that is adai. Okay. Now let me cook it for 3 whistles. Now melt the jaggery with very less water, and then once it melts, it should just melt, and then filter it. Okay, I'll come back to you. See, the adai has been cooked well. Okay, just 2 whistles, and here I have filtered the jaggery. See the residue here, so you should always filter it. So now this pan I cleaned it again, because in case if there are any mud or anything, any stone pieces, so you should always add. Now I'll put on this stove 1 minute. Now I'll be adding the adai. Okay, pal adai they say. So I'm going to add it. After adding, you have to allow it to thicken. Okay, this will automatically thicken. After it thickens, then you need to add the coconut milk. So let it thicken, I'll come back to you. Here I have added about 2 spoons of ghee, that is for deep frying the coconut pieces. Okay, now let it get melted. Paladai is very easy to make. What you need is take the raw rice and soak it for about 4 hours. Then after that you have to grind it to a very, very smooth paste, and it should be the consistency of dosa. Then that you will need to spread it on a banana leaf, and then you have to steam cook it. Once it's steam cooked and once it is cooled, then you have to cut them into pieces, and then the process is the same. So that is paladai. So here I got the ready-made one, so I didn't take that extra effort to make it. Here, let me fry it till it is brown. Here, this has thickened. Now let me add the coconut milk. After adding coconut milk, you should not boil for more than 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, just let it get mixed, and then now add the fried, this is the fried coconut pieces. Okay, that's all. Now let it just get mixed for few seconds, and then you can put it off. So your Pala Adapradaman we call it as. Adapradaman is ready. This Adapradaman is usually made for all most of the good occasions like weddings, Upanayanams. So any Pradaman is a must. During jackfruit season, we make Chakka Pradaman, and then even with the broken wheat, you can make Godima Pradaman. Even that will be very tasty. So now let it just boil for 1 minute. Once you see the boil, you can just put it off, okay? You can see the boil, just put it off, okay? Now let me just put it in a serving bowl and show you. Here, Ada Pradaman or Palada Pradaman is ready. You can also add sugar in place of jaggery. But jaggery tastes the best, okay? So thank you very much for watching my Onam special dishes, and I think you will certainly prepare this and give me back your sincere opinion. So thank you again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share it with your friends, and please press the bell button for more notification. Thank you. This is Ritvela. Bye bye.